Welcome to DeFi Crypto today. Our topic today is Beast Finance, the latest tomb fork on the Fantom Network. This is a paid sponsorship, so as always, remember that all crypto investments are very risky. This is not financial advice, and only invest amounts you're willing to lose. That being said, this is a nice little project that just started. And they already are KYCd by APR. You can see that right here. So the devs are KYC'd, okay, which is a good thing. And they take your security seriously. They already renounced ownership of their two major tokens. The BEAST token is renounced and the BSHARE token is renounced. Why they're doing this is because several bad actors that made tomb forks used those token contracts to rug pull. And when it's renounced, well, it's not possible to rug pull using these tokens. So that's a nice security feature. All right, so the token is pegged to the price of one Fantom. At the moment, it's below peg, and it offers some opportunities. Okay, there's still ways to make profit with this, and I'm going to show you a couple of examples. So what we're going to do, first thing is I want to add the tokens, these three tokens, to my MetaMask. So we're going to click on this and we add the token. Oh wow, now we got the logo. Yesterday I tried and there was the logo didn't work, so they fixed that. All right, now we can do BSHARE and the BBOND. We're going to try also to buy some BBONDs today. And I'll show you how that can make money. All right. But first, what we're going to do, we're going to buy some BEAST tokens and we're going to put them in an LP pair in the forest. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. And after that, we're going to play with the BBONDs. I'll show you what to do with BSHAREs because we're going to earn BSHAREs in the forest. And then we're going to go in the marsh and stake those BSHAREs once we earn them. Okay, so you click on Buy Beast, that brings you to SpookySwap, and you get this warning message. That means that it's a new token. SpookySwap's doesn't know it very well, so it wants to make sure we got the right contract address. Since we got it from the website, that's okay. I understand. Continue. All right. So here's my plan. I want to use 100 of these tokens, and I'm going to pair them with the equivalent of about 40 Fantom tokens. And then we're going to put that in the LP. All right, so let's try that. So we're going to swap, and we confirm in MetaMask. Okay, we're going to have a message right here, and once it's done, we're going to need to create an LP pair, and then we're going to stake it in the forest so that we can earn some BSHAREs. So let's go and go to the forest right here. We're going to create the Beast Fantom LP, and we're doing that. So first thing is we need to provide liquidity. So we click on this. So it brings us back to SpookySwap. And this time what we do is we pair Fantom with Beast. So as we remember, we should have 100 Beast. That's right. And it takes 40 Fantom to do that. So we approve Beast, we confirm, and we should have a supply button now. We need to confirm again. There we go. All right, so we wait until all that stuff is done. Yeah, it should be ready in a few seconds. Now, once it's done here, we go back to the forest, and we're going to stake our LP tokens. All right, I think that should be ready. MetaMask is ready. Yeah, that should be right. So let's go back here. We're going to refresh the page. I'm going to hit approve. We need to confirm it again in MetaMask. Once it's approved, we're going to have a plus and a minus button here. So that allows us to stake or unstake our LP tokens. Almost done. Now you can see that the APR is huge. Okay, even your daily APR is 4.49%. So it doesn't matter really that the token's below peg at the moment. You're still earning almost 5% per day. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so I want to take advantage of this. That's why I'm going to stake this. So I'm going to refresh so that the buttons appear here. There we go. So I click the plus button, hit max, and I hit confirm with MetaMask. There we go. These rates have been pretty good for the last few days. So, you know, I'm sure they're going to be good for several more days. Just watch those rates. As long as it's, you know, so over 1% per day, even that's fantastic. Okay, so the rates are really juicy at the moment, and there we go. So the tokens have been deposited. What we need to do now is that at some point, okay, see already we managed to get 0.0002 BSHARE tokens. I'm not going to claim that, it's too small. But a significant amount to claim. You instead of going to forest, you go to marsh. Here you can stake also, and look at the APR. It's still fantastic. Okay, 30,000%. So yeah, you can still earn some beast. So not to worry. There's ways to make money with this project. Now, what I'm interested in, because I haven't tried that yet, is I want to play with the dungeon. Now, what's this is that when the token, the beast token, is below peg, okay, typically there are bonds available, okay. So what you do is you convert you take your beast tokens and you convert them into bond tokens, and you hold those bond tokens until the price of the beast token goes back up above peg. So if it goes up to 1.01 Fantom, then you can burn your bonds and get back your beast. But now you've made a significant profit. On top of that, they're adding an extra incentive. Okay, if you check on the Discord, they'll tell you how much the incentive is. But that's a fun part. Okay, so the bet here is that the beast token is going to go above the price of 1 Fantom, because it's supposed to peg to 1 Fantom. Right now we're below peg, but that brings you a very interesting opportunity for further profits. So we can profit in the forest, we can profit in the marsh, and now we have a potential for profit in the dungeon. So what I'm going to do, just to test it, because I have not done it yet, try to buy some bond tokens with them. When I buy the bond tokens, what it does is that it reduces the supply of beasts. It burns those beast tokens. And if you shrink the supply, well, that should help push the price of the token up above peg. That's the point, okay? So let's try it. I have not tried it, so I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to buy, let's say, just to test, a small amount, 10 beast tokens. Oh, this is supply. Sorry, I need to buy. This is the right screen. I'm not doing an LP. I'm just buying the token. So let's swap and confirm. Okay. All right. So we wait for the confirmation. Once it's done, we're going to see if we can buy some bonds and burn our old beast tokens. All right. So I believe we're right here. No, we're here. Okay, so approve beast. So confirm that, and let's wait until it's done. Because the team has been burning and burning beast tokens for the last couple of days to push the price of beast higher. It just right now, the market is like... So people basically buy high and sell low. I don't know why, but a lot of people seem to think that's a way to make money. I don't know why. Okay, finally, this is what we want. We want the purchase button. All right, so we hit purchase. We got max, so we get 10. There's a total of 753 bonds available. So we're just going to buy 10 because I'm experimenting. This is my first bond purchase. So wait for confirmation. And all right, it seems to be processing. And I believe my tokens are going to appear here, right there. All right. So basically what this does, okay, is that I burn my BEES tokens and I exchange them for BBOND tokens. And they're going to stay as BBOND tokens until this button activates. And the button will activate once the BEES token is at 1.01 Fantom. And at that point, basically, I more than double my money. Buy it at 0.4, and I'm going to sell it at 1.1. Okay, it's 2.5 times what I paid. So I'm experimenting with this. My first time I use bonds. And let's see how it goes, right? Okay, so there's a lot of documentation available on this project. Let me get to the docs. So they talk about the team and they explain what the seniorage is and so on, which is the system created by Tomb and what they're using here. They've got a pretty extensive roadmap. They just started a few days ago. And they've already accomplished pretty much almost everything that they had listed for March. They're still waiting for their CoinGecko listing, and right now they're starting their marketing campaign. And for April, they want to add a whitelist, and they want to be on SpookySwap's whitelist as well. Fantom Scan, SpookySwap want to get their audit. They want to upgrade their website graphics. They have a designer working on it. They've got giveaway contests on Twitter. Marketing campaigns continuing. One thing that's a little bit more exciting is the three-tome, whatever, equivalent is coming. They're working on this. That's a popular feature that's been added to several Tomb forks. Okay, so they're going to be adding that. They're trying to develop further utility for the BEES token. So, you know, they have a lot of things planned for the long term. It's not a fly-by-night project. So that's exciting. Definitely check out their Discord. They've got all their announcements here. They explain that they bought back some tokens and they used up some bonds. Then more bonds were printed and so on. So they explain what their strategies are. They say the markets are dropping and other projects are rugging, but they keep on building. And I like that attitude. Look, the markets in general this year are pretty bearish. Okay, there's no question. It's not as exciting as the second half of 2021. Okay, it's more like the first, right after the market crash in 2021. People were still wondering what's going on and are we going up or down or whatever. So this year there's a lot of inflation. Interest rates are probably going to go up. There's a war and so on. So the market sentiments are not fantastic. So launching a new project in these conditions, okay, is very heroic, I think. So, and that's why I try to encourage these new projects if I think the team is good. All right. But no, this is a nice team. I like their project. Check them out on Discord. Chat with them, ask them questions, and so on, and try to implement strategies that can help you make money. All right, and also check out their Twitter. Don't forget to follow and turn on the notifications, explaining their strategies and so on. And here they had some giveaways and all kinds of stuff. And here they explain that they renounce the tokens and so on. So as new things happen, they keep on posting on Twitter. They put announcements on their Discord and they explain what's going on. So chat with them, check them out, and that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Download the free book. All you have to do is put your name, your email address, and hit the submit button, and then get a big fat button that says download the free book. And if you miss that button, well, we're going to send you an email that says download the free book. And if you don't want to download the free book, that's okay. Just go to Amazon, pay $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, and Jeff will send me $1. See ya.